In the ever-evolving landscape of business, data is the true goldmine. But too often, companies find themselves in a complexity of data, unable to extract its full value. Just having the data is not a win, but leveraging it and making it more meaningful is. This is where DataToBiz steps in, to offer comprehensive Power BI solutions. We understand the fundamental challenges that businesses face when it comes to data, and we're here to provide solutions that drive efficiency, clarity, and growth. One of the most prevalent challenges is data chaos, disorganized, disparate data sources that lead to confusion and inefficiency. Sounds familiar? Our team excels in turning data mess into visually stunning Power BI dashboards, providing a clear, real-time snapshot of your business's performance. We know that often businesses lack the in-house expertise to make the most of their data. With Power BI solutions, we bring our years of experience to the table, offering expert guidance, training, and support to ensure you make data-driven decisions and stay ahead. From complex data integration and modeling to dashboard design, our solutions are designed to fit seamlessly into your business operations, ensuring scalability, security, and user-friendliness. Say goodbye to the confusion, inefficiency, and missed opportunities that cluttered data brings. DataToBiz is your trusted partner in transforming data into a valuable asset. Don't let your data remain a challenge. Contact us today at DataToBiz and unlock the full power of your data. DataToBiz, simplifying the complex.